If you need to change your Epic Games password, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or you simply want to refresh your account login, this is the fastest way to do it without any confusion. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where your account options are located. After that, from the menu that appears, select Account. Now you'll be taken to your Epic Games account settings. On this page, look for the password and security section. This is the area where you can manage your login details and update important security settings for your account. When you find it, click on Change Password. Next, Epic Games will ask you to verify your current password. Type in your existing password carefully so the system can confirm it's really you making the change. After that, enter your new password in the new password field. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and something you can remember securely. Then confirm the new password by typing it again in the confirmation box. Once everything is filled out correctly, take a moment to double check for any typing mistakes. A small error in the password fields can cause the change to fail, so it's always worth reviewing before you continue. When you're ready, click Save. After you save the changes, Epic Games will update your account password. At that point, your new password is now active and you should use it the next time you sign in. If you're changing your password for security reasons, it's also a good idea to update it on any devices where you may already be logged in, just to avoid sign-in issues later, and that's it. You've now successfully changed your Epic Games password. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our next tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.